Hi guys, it's Peter at Peter's Blooms. Today we're at Sunset Nursery and we're going to check out all the orchids they have for Valentine's Day. So let's go. Sunset Nursery is located on Sunset Drive in western Miami-Dade County, just off the Florida Turnpike in what's known as horse country. The temperatures this year have been really good for the bougainvilleas, and they have some really nice ones. They look great. But let's go check out the orchids. Well, we just got inside and this table has a lot of beautiful Phalaenopsis orchids. All different colors, yellow, pink, white, orange, and they also have the harlequin type. And they look really healthy. Here's the whole collection. Aren't they pretty? Most of them on this table were marked at $15. And they also have minis as well. We have some minis as well as the full-size phals at home in bloom, both inside the house and outside. And they're really great because you can mix and match the different sizes and colors. And they're pretty easy to take care of, so they really work well for us. Check out these tables. They just got tons of them in all different colors, white, pink, blue, and the sizes are some of them are just huge. The blue ones, those are dyed. I usually don't like those that much, but these look pretty nice. And these pink ones look gorgeous. And they run between $20 and $25. I'm a sucker for these yellow ones, that's for sure. Somehow this year I'm really into the yellow, orange, peach, all those tropical colored blooms. Isn't this pretty? And look at the size of it. It's almost as big as my hand. And check out this fuchsia one. It's beautiful. And then this one, maybe my favorite. It's fantastic. Some of my friends that have a few different orchids are kind of past getting these Phalaenopsis, especially the common ones. But I disagree. I really love them. And they're not too hard to take care of, and the blooms last a long time. These are marked at $20, which is a pretty good deal. These white ones never get boring. And look how big the blooms are. And check out this one. I love this combination of colors. How pretty is that? Wow, it's so nice. They also have a lot of nice arrangements for Valentine's Day, with multiple plants of different colors put into these really nice pots and other really cute decorations. They run around $200, so if that's what you're looking for, they certainly have a lot of good selections here. Let's check out their other orchids. They have these yellow Oncidiums for $8. And they also have these Terryflora ladies for $15. Aren't they beautiful? And they're very fragrant. They also have Rhynchostylis in bloom for $35 to $45. I'm really attracted to this one. It's so beautiful. They had some Paphiopedilum orchids, but this was the only one I saw in bloom. Check out these beauties. I think it's called the key lime star. Oh, I got the tag for that one. They also have a lot of Dendrobiums starting at $8. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get one. They look so pretty. I can't decide which one I like the best. They also have these Dendrobium nobilis that look super cute. Just look at that flower. Wow. I love this combination too. Look at the lip. And this one is gorgeous. Well, more to decide. In the back, they have a lot of Vandas. Wow, such beautiful colors. Check out that one. Wow. Isn't that nice? And this peach one, it's really beautiful. Look at this brown one. That's fantastic. There's so many different ones, I don't know which one to get either. Wow, this one is just gorgeous. Oh, I'm very attracted to that one. That has the colors I love. And that orange one? These minis look really nice too. So, and that one is just unbelievable. Some of these just look like candy. Check out the Vandas they have mounted on this pole. I'm not sure if those are for sale or not, but, and look at this one. It's huge. How would I get that home? I'm now at the other side of their shade house and saw these rows of hanging orchids. Let's see what they got. Looks like a lot of different Vandas. Most of them are not in bloom. And then they also look like they have some Phalaenopsis and other orchids. Since they're not in bloom, maybe you can find the hybrid that you want, and the price would be a bit less. But they certainly have a large collection. So, we also have Cattleyas over here. Again, most are not in bloom, but you can check what you want and maybe get a good deal. I came outside looking for some ground cover, but I noticed they have phals in the trees, in the direct sunlight. They look like they've been well adapted. The leaves are pretty yellow or reddish, but they certainly don't look like they're getting sunburn, and they're in full bloom, so they're doing fine. That's crazy, right? So of course, in addition to the plants, they have a lot of supplies. Some of these terracotta pots are great for Cattleyas. And they do have the ones with the holes in different shapes. They seem to run between $15 and $40 depending on the size. Inside they also have the cork for mounting, as well as baskets for the Vandas. And other terracotta pots, as well as ceramic pots with Spanish motif. So they look really nice too. Now that the weather is good, I need to repot and mount some orchids, so I maybe pick up some supplies. And of course they have the chemicals and the different medias to plant the orchids. They have their own mix. So I'll definitely grab some supplies. They also have the packaged stuff that you might find at Home Depot. So guys, that's our tour of Sunset Nursery. We picked up a few things, including this beautiful Vanda, and we really had a great time. They have plenty of nice blooms for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. So be sure to stop out here if you're in western Miami-Dade County, and enjoy all the flowers. So let's check out what we got. As I mentioned, we picked up this purple Vanda. I'm gonna put it on this hook. We'll get a lot of sun, and maybe after a couple weeks we'll put it in a tree. And then we also got 4 orchids that we put into this vase. This will be a centerpiece in our house. We have a Valentine's Day party coming, so this would look great. And you know, they're quite reasonable. Each one was about 15 bucks. and much better than cut flowers. They'll last hopefully a couple months. Then finally we had a coupon for 10% off that we picked up at one of the orchid shows, and we ended up getting this Dendrobium. It's really pretty. And we'll also keep this inside as it blooms, and then we'll put it outside and maybe put it on a tree as well. So it was very nice. We got a lot of good stuff, and we really enjoyed visiting Sunset Nursery. So this is our new channel all about orchids. We're gonna go to orchid shows, visit botanical gardens, do nursery tours, and also take care of our orchids at home. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for additional videos. Thanks for watching.